1. Open the Notepad application and add the content. After that I will save the file as 2. I will save the file as test.txt file type, and choose the encoding as UTF-8. Save it. 3. Upload test.txt file by click the Upload to Session Storage icon and select the file to upload. See the coding demo for open, read and print the file in Python programming. The with statement in Python is useful in the case of manipulating the files. It is especially used in the scenario where a pair of statements is to be executed with a block of code in between. Finally, we can close the file using the file.close.